In this video, we will discuss 4 effective natural cures for freckles. But before starting the video, if you like to learn about health and eating habits, like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay tuned to all the news about health and wellness. Circular or flat tan spots formed as a result of concentrated melanin over the skin of people with much fairer complexions are called as freckles. They can come in many colors ranging from light brown, brown, and red to black. The numerous spots may get formed over nose, cheeks, forehead, shoulders, chest, or arms. These are formed on exposure to sunlight due to clumping of melanin pigment when exposed to long duration of sunlight on regular basis. Freckles are not a sign of any illness or deficiency and not at all harmful, but yes, they are not appealing to look, especially when they are present at face or neck regions. In a few people, freckles get fade away in winters but reappear when under high sun exposure in summers. Prevention is the key for cure of freckles, and by taking proper measures while moving out in sun, individuals can help themselves from readily formation of such spots. Moreover, there are many simple and effective natural ways of getting rid of freckles. Effective natural cures for freckles. Number 1. Garlic. Use the Wonder Spice garlic to clear off freckles from the skin. Cut a thin slice of 1 clove of garlic and apply it over the freckles and keep it there for overnight. Wash off the garlic from skin, and in daytime too, whenever it is possible, apply it and keep it for 6 hours. But take care that garlic is not applied over the fine and normal skin area, as it may lead to irritation of that portion of the skin. Continuing with garlic treatment twice a day will rapidly overcome freckles in just 3 days time. Number 2. Tea tree oil and aloe vera oil. Using either aloe vera or tea tree oil for twice in a day will help in treating freckles. Just put a few drops of oil and massage it over the freckle spots. The healing effect of these oils help in absorption of accumulated pigments, thereby reducing or fading away the spots. One can also make use of aloe vera gel from the fresh leaf or butter results. Number 3. Holy basil leaves. Make use of 3 to 4 teaspoons of dried basil leaves and powdered it. Then add 100 ml of boiled water and apply the paste over the freckles for 2 times every day. It is found to be very effective in getting rid of the freckles. Number 4. Foods rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. Vitamin C and vitamin A protects the skin against sun rays. One should make use of lime juice and lemon juice, cucumber and apricot masks. Also use buttermilk and apply over freckles using a cotton ball. Those undergoing freckles are known to be deficient in magnesium levels. Therefore, such individuals should soak cotton ball in buttermilk and milk of magnesia to be used as facial or freckled skin. Regular use of these helping agents keeps skin nourished and healthy. In matter of a few days, people may observe considerable change in spots discoloration. Moreover, antioxidant-rich foods should be incorporated in each meal, like carrots, broccoli, cabbage, and sprouts for gaining inner defensive strength of skin against harsh sun rays. People must stop eating junk, sugary, and processed food, as they tend to have negative effect on skin. Defensive mechanisms. Tobacco need to be avoided in all forms and should also refrain from intake of caffeine products. Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel or watch another video.